So, I will say it this way. Unfortunately, I am an empath. And I can feel the hate because I said the truth. And I will have to silence that video, delete the video, so I don't feel that much hate. I just say the truth. I went through hell. I never wanted to go through hell. I never wanted anything bad to happen to me. And then when somebody tries to say that it never happens, when an abuser who's totally insane in his denial of all his demons, and he's trying to say that, oh, well, you're crazy, and in reality, they're crazy in their denial. And it's a forever denial. It's not just, I'm so sorry. I'm so. What are you sorry about? Oh, you know you did something wrong. I'm so sorry. That's nothing. And you have to say what you did. So, what are you sorry for? What the hell? I wasn't acting properly. So, I wasn't doing... I was wrong. Okay, you win. Okay, I win to what? You weren't acting properly towards what? What? All the little games. Oh, you just poop all over me. Why don't you say the real word, shit? My life is hell, and, I feel all the anger, because, I said the truth. Well, so what? God knows, I never had anything, and it's just facts are facts. I don't have pity parties. I'm not jealous of anyone. And I'm naturally furious that, okay, you gave all your money away to, and I'll call it an entity. Like, who would do that? Who would give that much money away? They hate themselves that much. Okay, this probably, you can't even hear my voice, so, sorry. Probably won't even keep it.